Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tiramisu Speculoos. First, gather your ingredients, including about 200 grams of Speculoos cookies, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, and a cup of strong brewed coffee. Begin by preparing your coffee and letting it cool slightly. Then, in a separate bowl, gently whip the mascarpone with a quarter cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla until smooth and creamy. Now, let's start assembling. Take each Speculoos cookie and quickly dip it into the cooled coffee, ensuring it's moistened but not soggy. Arrange these dipped cookies in a single, even layer at the bottom of your serving dish. Next, spread about 1/3 of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over the cookie layer, creating a delicious foundation for your dessert. Continue building your tiramisu by repeating the layers. Add another layer of coffee-dipped Speculoos cookies, followed by another third of the mascarpone cream. Repeat this one more time, making sure the final layer is a smooth, inviting spread of the mascarpone mixture. Once assembled, cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, remove your chilled tiramisu from the refrigerator. For a classic finish, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine mesh sieve. You can also crumble a few extra Speculoos cookies over the top for added texture and flavor. Slice and serve this delightful dessert cold, and enjoy the wonderful blend of coffee, cream, and spiced cookie flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.